As I said, from my perspective, this is a challenge that exists statewide.
As his administration faced a firestorm for not pursuing cases by state-mandated deadlines, Travis County's District Attorney Jose Garza implied that other Texas prosecutors are losing the same battle against time. Although no state agency is tracking how often prosecutors miss those targets, the KVUE Defenders found no pervasive problem across Texas.
Here's senior reporter Tony Plahetsky with more of our continuing coverage of missed deadlines.
Brian and Quita, it is all but impossible to find out exactly how often Garza's peers are also failing to bring indictments within the 90-day period specified in state law. The KVUE Defenders uncovered here in Travis County, it's resulted in felony defendants being locked up for weeks or months past the deadline. We talked to public defender offices in Harris County, Dallas County, Bexar County, and San Antonio, and El Paso County, who say those counties have systems in place to make sure both prosecutors and defense attorneys know when a 90-day deadline is approaching to indict felony defendants. In Bexar County, for instance, both parties received notifications at 30, 60, 75, and 90 days. Travis County has largely relied upon the DA's office to act on cases within 90 days. But when DA Jose Garza took office in 2021, he all but disbanded that unit and assigned the duty to trial court attorneys who are already busy with settings and the trials themselves. This is what DA Garza told us in a February 26th interview.
There are a number of really legitimate reasons why cases are not indicted within 90 days. And just as an aside, that's not only true in Travis County, but it's true across the state of Texas.
Experts, including Nate Fennell, a policy attorney at the SMU Decent Criminal Justice Reform Center, says the justice system statewide should better monitor how many people remain in jail past the deadline to indict.
There's no one who knows today how many people are sitting in jails across Texas that have not been charged with a crime and have been held beyond the time period when they legally can be held. This is a basic state law that gives a very clear timeline and a very simple resolution. It says that if you don't charge someone with a crime within 90 days for a felony, you have to be released. And if people aren't doing that and aren't doing that consistently, then we should know and people should care.
After we found his administration routinely has not indicted defendants within 90 days, Garza's top aide sent a memo with new directions on monitoring cases, saying, quote, while missing the 90-day deadline when a case is ready to be presented to the grand jury is extremely rare in our office, it is unacceptable. Right now, the Texas Judicial Council, a policy-making body for the state's judges, said it is considering a policy that would start tracking how often defendants are released from jail because prosecutors did not indict in time.